In last part we have studied the C2E point group has 4 classes. In this part we have to derive all those 4 classes by means of mathematical operation. What is that mathematical operation? Right, similarity transformation. Because we study in the class, in class members are conjugate to one another and conjugacy can be defined, obtained by means of mathematical operation, similarity transformation. How can I define it mathematically? X inverse A, X is equal to B means B is a similarity transform of A via or through X. So now what I will do, I will take any one operation and I will try all other operations present in the group in order to obtain its conjugate elements, in order to obtain transforms of that operation. Let me take identity as an operation. See, their identity is kept at the center, that is our A. And all other operations I am trying as a X, means at the beginning identity. Then I tried C2. What is the inverse of C2? C2 means rotation by 180 degree. If I rotate the molecule by 180 degree, then how can I get the 360 degree or original status? I would rotate further by 180 degree or reverse 180 degree. It is better to go by the one direction, so I consider rotate it further by 180 degree. So inverse of C2 is also C2, therefore is mentioned. Actually C2 inverse, but C2 inverse means C2, therefore C2E, C2 is equal to identity. Then plane I am considering, say sigma xz plane or sigma yz plane, any plane you consider. What is the inverse of the plane? Plane does operation of reflection. So object and I'll get image, that's a reflection. What should I do so that I'll get original situation, so that I'll get the result of identity operation? So whatever the reflection is there, reflect the reflection. So reflection of reflection is originality, identity. So what is the inverse of reflection? What is the inverse of sigma? Sigma only. So in spite of writing sigma inverse, I am writing only sigma. Understand that. So sigma xz into identity into sigma xz. If we do the multiplication, so first two operations, their multiplication, the result, what is the result we get? Let us perform the multiplication of the result and the last, that's the third operation. So here I am finding the result is identity. So what I can understand from these 4 expressions, identity is the only transform of identity. Identity is the only conjugate to identity. Identity is only member present in the class. Identity has similarity transform identity only. Let you take any operation. It means identity is a class of order 1. Let us obtain the transforms of C2. So what I will consider now as a means in similarity transformation equation, x inverse A, x is equal to B, in that A will be the C2. And all other operations of the C2E point group, which are the all operations, see identity, C2, sigma xz, sigma yz, I should try. First identity. What is the inverse of identity? Identity. Therefore represent identity. Then C2, then identity. Answer is C2. Next, C2 itself is considered. Let us try. Inverse of C2 is C2 into C2 into C2. Difference is there. First is as a inverse. Second, that's a C2 is as a as a central element on which we are performing the transformation operation, on which we are doing the similarity transformation. And then again C2. Rotation by 180 degree, again 180 degree, and then 180 degree. Result is 180 degree rotation, means result is C2, means C2 is a similarity transform of A. C2 and C2 belong to the same class. Now see the third. Sigma xz. Actually it's inverse. What is the inverse of sigma xz? Sigma xz. Therefore represent sigma xz into C2 into sigma xz. What is the answer? C2. How that we obtain? Here multiplication table will help us. See, in multiplication table, sigma xz into C2 is sigma yz. And then sigma yz into the sigma xz is C2. Therefore answer is C2 here. Are you understanding multiplication table and its application? Now see the last. Sigma yz as a x inverse I am considering, because inverse of reflection is reflection only. Sigma yz into C2 into sigma yz. Let us apply our multiplication table knowledge. Sigma yz into C2 is sigma xz. Sigma xz into sigma yz is C2. Therefore answer is C2. Conclusion, C2 is a similarity transform of C2. C2 is conjugate to C2. C2 is the only operation belonging to the class. So order of that class is 1. G is equal to 1. So it is the second class that we derived now. Let us work Similarly, for the third operation, that's a sigma xz operation. So what I am considering here, sigma xz is a, and all other operations I'll consider as what the x one by one. Let me consider identity first. Identity, inverse of identity is identity. Identity into sigma xz into identity. Identity into sigma xz, sigma xz, sigma xz into identity, sigma xz. So answer is sigma xz. So sigma xz is symmetric transform of sigma xz. It is a conclusion of the first expression. Now see the second expression. C2 into sigma xz into C2. Why C2 first is given as the inverse of C2, which is C2 into sigma xz into C2. C2 into sigma xz means sigma yz. Sigma yz into C2 means sigma xz. So answer is sigma xz. So sigma xz is symmetric transform of sigma xz. Now see the third expression. Sigma xz, that's the inverse of sigma xz, x inverse. Sigma xz as a, sigma xz as x. So same planes are there. So sigma xz means reflection. Again sigma xz, original. Again sigma xz, reflection. So result is sigma xz. So sigma xz is the symmetric transform of sigma xz. Now see the last. Sigma yz into sigma xz into sigma yz is equal to, yes, how can we find that answer? Sigma yz into sigma xz is C2 and C2 into sigma yz is sigma xz. Therefore answer is sigma xz. Sigma xz is a symmetric transform of sigma xz. So what are the right side results are there? That's a B. And middle operations are there. That's a. B is a symmetric transform A via or through X. We are interested in conjugacy. So here sigma xz is the only member present in the class. This class is of the order 1. G is equal to 1. Let us establish now the last class possible for C2V point group. We want to establish now the transforms of sigma yz. And all other operations I will use in order to do the transformation, similarity transformation. So sigma yz is kept at the middle and operations I am changing. At the beginning, identity as the inverse into sigma yz into identity as a x. What is the result? Sigma yz. I hope you will understand. So sigma yz and sigma yz are conjugate to one another is the meaning of first expression. Similarly, C2 as the inverse of C2 I am considering. Then sigma yz. Then C2 as a x I am considering. So C2 into sigma yz is sigma xz. Sigma xz into C2 is sigma yz. So answer is sigma yz. Are you following? I am directly applying the multiplication table. And we discuss in detail the multiplication table. Purpose was that you should remember the things. See the third kind of transformation. Sigma xz into sigma yz into sigma xz. Sigma xz into sigma yz means C2. C2 into sigma xz is sigma yz. So answer is sigma yz. So sigma yz is the symmetric transform of sigma yz. Now see the last. Sigma yz into sigma yz into sigma yz. So same plane I am considering. So sigma yz means reflection. Again sigma yz means original. Again sigma yz means reflection. So answer is sigma yz. So from all those four results, what I can conclude? Sigma yz is a similarity transform of sigma yz. Sigma yz is a conjugate to sigma yz. Sigma yz belong to the same class. Sigma yz is of the order 1. Is the only member present in the class. So you have studied the four operations are there in C2V point group and every operation is a separate class. In that college only one student is present in each class. Identity alone, C2 alone, sigma x alone, sigma yz alone. So what is the specialty of this such a group? Which group it is? I told you in that dot kind of group the number of classes is equal to order of the point group. All operations separately are the classes. Yes, abelian group. Therefore, C2 is an abelian group. We are discussing the abelian group in detail. So, is this point of the C2V point group and the classes clear? Yes. As I said here, each operation in the C2V point group is a class. Then, what can be the type of that C2V point group? We have studied previously. I told you that point. In detail, we are discussing later on. But type of that group will be right abelian group. Now I ask you one simple question. What is a possible similarity transform of C2 in C2V point group? Just write that answer. Means I am asking who is a conjugate to C2. Are you getting? Let us see, students, now in next part C3b point group and its classes in detail.